What are you doing?
Somebody in the house got a haircut. Can we guess who it is? Is it Darren? No, surprisingly not. Is it Ty? No.
I got something else cut.
Ty unfortunately got something else cut today. Is it Rennie? Yes, actually I did get a haircut, but that was last week. Who else lives here? Oh, you got a haircut. Can you sit? Sit. Good. Show Grandma your haircut. Look at you. Come over here. Come in the light. Shh. Sit. 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 Good. Oh, look at that nice dog. Look at you. Do a spin. Show her your whole body. Show her your bum. Come here. I'm gonna show your bum. It's so funny. Go see. Who's that? Nice haircut, Pooch.